Close Caboo time, folks. I'm just going to do a quick demo of using this carrier, the Close Caboo. It's very much like a stretchy wrap, but kind of pre-done. And like stretchy wraps, if you're not getting on with it, it's almost certainly because you've not got it done up tight enough. So I'm just going to show you here how we ideally want it fitted. So we'll snug baby into her chest, knees higher than the bum, pelvis tilted forward, and we spread this fabric across baby's seated width from one knee pit to the other, all the way up to the nape of the neck. If you need to make it any more snug, simply pull this fabric through the ring sort of upwards and central. You want to make sure baby's nice and snug. Remember, baby should be close enough you can easily kiss them at this point without having to crane your neck forward. If they feel too low, if they're around about this height, you need to lift them up into you, keep one hand under their bum, pull the fabric through the rings, and repeat on the other side so they're high enough to kiss. You then need your second layer of fabric, because the Caboo is a two-part carrier. And you take this outer piece and spread it nice and tight, keeping that fabric taut, across their neck, bundle it up and tie a nice double knot behind your back. Now this third layer is not for warmth, it is there for support, to support their back and therefore their airway, so it is important you use it. If you've got more questions on the Caboo, give us a shout, but that's essentially how it should look.